Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to add long video story on Facebook. So for that, what you need to do is open the Facebook. And if you try to upload a long video story on your Facebook, you cannot do that as Facebook has a limited time period. But you can still upload that story on your Facebook by going through the Instagram. So open the Instagram application. Once you're at the home page, tap on your story. Then you upload the video that you want to add it to your Facebook story. So I'm gonna add this 41-second video. This is a random video that I just clicked. So tap on your story. Once you tap that, your story will be added to the Instagram story, right? So tap upon that and wait for the upload to be completed first. Now, once the story is posted, you need to tap on that Facebook icon. Tap that. This will allow you to share your Instagram story to your Facebook story as well. We need your permission to continue. If that's the Facebook account of yours, tap on continue. Tap on continue. Choose your date of birth. Tap on continue. Now you need to add your Instagram account to your account center. Tap on add. And with that, you have interlinked your Facebook and Instagram. So what you can do now is you can share your Instagram story to your Facebook story as well. Tap on share post and stories. Tap that. With that, you are sharing your Instagram and Facebook account. If you go and check your Facebook account, you will have that story on your Facebook as well. There you can see. So this is a way how you can upload long video Facebook story on Facebook through Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.